BZ20 plus 20-inch electric foldable bike. 500W brushless motor. Experience the thrill of high-speed riding with the 500W brushless motor. Featuring a star gear design, this motor amplifies torque and converts energy with superior efficiency, delivering an unparalleled performance. Foldable design, portable and lightweight. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with the foldable design, allowing you to easily store and carry your bike in the trunk of your car or elevator, without occupying valuable space at home. Experience the joy of travel with this versatile and portable e-bike. Folded size: 90*50*79 cm. High capacity and waterproof battery. Take your ride to new heights with the 48V15R power supply 18650 lithium battery pack. Completely hidden inside the frame and waterproof. This battery provides pure electric mode for up to 70 km and power-assisted mode for up to 100 km, ensuring an unforgettable journey. 20 by 3.0 inches tires. Experience a smooth and stable ride on any terrain with the fat tires. Featuring anti-skid and anti-vibration properties, these tires offer a longer span, faster speed, and effortless riding experience, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Front spring suspension. Enhance your riding experience with the front spring suspension, providing excellent shock resistance and a smooth ride. No matter the terrain, you can always count on this e-bike to provide exceptional performance. Mechanical disc brake. With dual system of front and rear disc brakes, you can ride with confidence knowing that you have the best braking system available. The S-disc brake disc allows for fast heat dissipation and automatic power cutoff, ensuring a safe and efficient ride. Shimano 7-speed gears. Experience unmatched versatility with the Shimano 7-speed gears freewheel, allowing you to shift to a larger cog for uphill riding and downshift to a smaller cog at high speeds. Combined with the pedal assist system, you can easily adjust your speed to suit your journey. Remove battery. Experience the convenience of a removable battery that can be charged at home or anywhere. Completely hidden inside the frame and waterproof. This battery ensures that your e-bike is always ready to take you on your next adventure. Smart LCD display. Stay informed and in control with the high-definition liquid crystal display, providing real-time information on speed, power, mileage, gear position, driving time, and status. The smart LCD display allows you to effortlessly monitor your e-bike's performance, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride.